Right. So what car do you have here?
This is a 2019 Corvette Z06. It's got the Z07 package.
Great. I mean, I love this car. Why this decision? Why do you choose to buy the 67 Z06?
I had a C6, the previous generation. I liked it a lot, but was looking to get something new. I thought about a C8, but for $10,000 less dollars, I can get 150 more horsepower.
Great.
And yeah, just it's the last front mid-engine Corvette, so it's just the looks. It has everything. It's a perfect car for me.
So how many miles do we have on this car?
This just passed 21,000 miles.
21,000. That's a lot. Amazing.
Yeah.
Whoa. I might want to have a closer look at this. Right. So, what do you want to share with us? The horsepower, the torque?
Yeah, so it is 650 for both horsepower and torque.
Oh, 650.
Yeah, 650.
Oh, definitely I got it wrong the last time. Was looking at some, I think so. I think, yeah, 650.
Yeah.
So I was actually using the metric unit, which is a little bit above the imperial unit in terms of conversion, but they are basically the same thing.
Yep.
So tell me, how long have you been driving this?
I've had it for 3 weeks now.
Oh, great.
Yeah, pretty new to me.
It is new.
Yeah.
It is new. It's really clear this is really new. And maybe the tires, would you want to say a little bit about this? Why this? This looks like a 21 inch or probably more than that.
Yeah, so in the front they're 19 by 10.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the rears are 20 by 12.
20 by 12.
So they're very wide in the back.
So are you looking at making some customizations or aftermarket customizations, some modifications?
If I do, just small things. I just had the windows tinted to make it a little nicer. I might put a new intake filter just so I can hear some more of the supercharger on the road.
Okay.
And then probably just a new exhaust system to get a little louder. But the nice thing is this has the valve system, so I can have just 2 open, or I can have all 4 exhaust pipes pulling out the exhaust.
Great. Would you want to show us a little bit of the interior for us to see if this a butterfly doors?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, kids. So the open sideways, and there's a bucket seats.
Yep, these are just the stock, the regular bucket seats that come with it.
Great.
The passenger side is a little tight. It's definitely a more driver-oriented car, but I'm 6'4" and I can fit in the passenger seat no problem.
Amazing. That's great. In the future, do you intend to look at something maybe different from Corvette, or just something else? Do you have plans to maybe make some big change in the future?
Nope. This will be my 3rd Corvette.
Okay.
If I move on from this car, it'll probably be to another Corvette. For their price, there's nothing faster. For more expensive money, there sometimes isn't anything faster.
Great.
But also, they can turn. They're agile. They're great. Just driving, they're comfortable. Just going to see family. But you take a back road, you can really let it rip.
Great. So that's wonderful. I love everything about the Z06. I just think maybe there's the only thing that I'm missing right now is maybe to hear a little pop sound, but well, the laws here doesn't allow popping, but definitely we will have to maybe listen to how massive and huge the sound is. Clearly there's redefines what Corvette has done over the years, and one of my biggest takeaway is how completely I am into the side skirt. How you can see the retractable line clearly made of carbon fiber, and tells you how these resonate with modern car design. My name remains Theobald, and this is Corvette C7 Z06, and probably you might want to mention your name before we sign out.
Yeah, I'm Spencer.
Oh, Spencer.
Yeah.
This is Spencer's Corvette C7 Z06. It is a wonderful car, and definitely you guys were bouncing the last time we spoke about this on the channel, and definitely it's back again. And to me, one of the biggest cars we've seen here at the meetup, and I'm leaving no stone unturned. Definitely there will be more of this car you will see on the channel, and definitely probably a massive sound that will follow this. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.